Hi friends, today Grace and I are going to be showing you some of our favorite ways to wear a ball cap. A ball cap is the perfect hat for summer because it blocks your face from the sun and they just look so cute. Don't forget to hit that like button for us so that more people can see our content, and also subscribe so that you can get more inspiration for your beauty routine every single week.
So the hairstyle I'm going to do is great if you have curly hair, but it's also amazing if you have straight hair. So I'm just going to keep it super simple. It's just going to be a ponytail. But it's going to look amazing. And believe it or not, it's harder than you think to do a ponytail with a baseball hat. So to start, I'm going to take my elastic and loosely wrap it around my hair just one time, where I think the hole in the baseball cap is going to be. Probably about there. Now I'm going to grab my baseball cap, put it on. Not really put it on, just feed the hair through it, then secure it on my head. I've learned this the hard way. I used to put my hair all up and perfect, and then I would put my baseball hat on and be like, I estimated wrong where the ponytail is, and then I literally had to redo it all. So I found that this is the absolute best way to do it. Then you can take your elastic off, tuck all your hair, and then secure it. Alright, now a trick that I've learned for hats is if you have any hair poking out, because you can see I do right here, I just get a bobby pin and slide it up under. That way, throughout the day, as you move your hat around, or you're putting your mask on and off, as we have to these days, it's not messing up your hair. Slide it in there as well. And it's as easy as that.
The first style I'm going to be showing you guys is going to be two fishtail braids. I love fishtail braids. I feel like they're so cute, so bohemian, and it's the perfect way to wear a hat. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm just going to start on the right side, or it might be the left side since it's opposite. I'm going to part my hair into two pieces. And then I'm going to take the hair that is the furthest from the part and move it to the other side. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'm going to just do that once more. And you can see that now it's creating this small little fishtail. And I just keep doing that same thing all the way down. Okay, and now that I'm getting close to the end, I'm just going to stop braiding and secure it with a clear elastic. And then I'm going to take small sections and fluff it up and make it thicker. Okay, now that I've got it all fluffed out, I'm just going to do the other side. So again, just split it in two. I'm going to split it right behind my ear. It gives you a pretty good amount of hair on each side, and it's pretty even, at least for me. And then I'm just going to take the hair on the edge and cross it over. And on the other edge, just take the hair on the furthest edge, cross it over. And you can see it creates that little X, and then you just keep doing the same thing. Pretty simple. Okay, now that I'm getting close to the end, I'm just gonna secure this one with a clear elastic as well. And just like I did on the other side, I'm just gonna start pulling small pieces on the very edge of my braid. Don't be afraid to pull it. You'll feel like you're messing it up, but it won't. It'll just get bigger and prettier. We're just gonna loosen it up. Okay, I got it all pulled out. Looks so much better now. And now I'm just gonna put my little ball cap on. As you can see, it has our Effortless Beauty logo. So fun. And I'm just gonna place that on top. And then I'm gonna pull some pieces around my face, just so it creates a looser look. Be careful when you are pulling these out though. You don't wanna loosen that braid too much or mess it up. I normally try to hold while I'm pulling it out, and then I'll just kind of smooth it right back in if I pull a little too much. And it normally does just fine. And that is the first look. You have two cute little fishtail braids, some around your face, and it's the cutest ball cap look. Okay, so I have my hair parted a little bit to the side, but not a deep side part. And I'm just going to pull my hair all the way to the back, have it parted down the middle and the back. And I'm just gonna get there all behind my ear, smooth it out, and then we're just gonna create a cute little messy bun. Gathering it all behind my ear. And then I'm taking a clear elastic, create that little messy bun. And I know they're pretty messy. Throw some bobby pins in it though to make them look a little better. But I'm just gonna pull a little around my ear, both sides, and grab some of those bobby pins. So I'm just going to make these little messy buns look a little bit better by pinning some of the hairs that are crazy. We still want them to be pretty messy, so don't worry about pinning them too much. Just pin them a little bit. Okay, so we have that done, and the next thing we're gonna do is put our ball cap on. So I'm just gonna put my ball cap on, and then I'm just gonna pull a little bit around my face again, just so it looks loose and effortless. And that is all I'm gonna do.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Show us how you rock your ball cap and tell us how you like this video down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.